today's video, we're gonna get the Nova all wiped down with the 3M dry guide coat. I got the pup out here. We're gonna start blocking, making sure everything's straight and get all our lines perfect. But what I'm gonna be using is my big DuraBlock 180 grit, and I'm gonna be using an X pattern as I go over the panel. That way I'm not putting any linear grooves into the primer like I would if I was just going back and forth. Then it's gonna have a dip in that area. So I need to do an across pattern. Go back this way. And cut it down until everything looks like it's smooth. Yesterday after blocking, I put another 3 coats of primer. Had a couple of high spots that had to be hammered down and then polyestered over. Gonna cut that down with the sanding block, and then, or I'll probably use the DA first just to cut it down a little bit, then go to the sanding block. And then I had a little bit here that was a high spot, also along this edge. Last night after doing more body filler, I laid another 3 coats of primer down, and I'm gonna put some guide coat and verify and see if the work paid off and see if everything is straight. block in the quarter. All the edges are done except for this center body line here. We're gonna use this green tape, which is 3M's low adhesive tape, and we're going to put it on the underside of the peak, sand down on the top side of the edge, and then we're gonna tape on the top side of the peak and sand or block underneath the edge of that tape. So I took this tape along the bottom of the peak of the body line, and I'm taking this small block here and I'm coming across and I'm cutting this top edge to make it sharper. Now I'm gonna flip the tape on to the other side and come from the bottom up and do the same thing so it has a very sharp peak when it's all done. That's it for the quarter panel. All the blocking's done on this. Got this line nice and sharp. Next video, I'm probably going to do the fiberglass hood because they tend to be super wavy. So we're going to see how good Glass Tech's quality is. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And see you later.